Hello and welcome everyone to another devlog. First of all, I want to start off by saying thank you all so very much for the support in the last video. I was quite bummed out about not getting that much content out, but other kind words really motivated me to continue developing Antiqa. Now I'm not gonna become all sappy, mostly since I'm not good at it, but thank you. Let's actually get into the updates. First things first, can you spot what's wrong with this picture? How about if you compare it to this one that is fixed? If you spotted it, tell me in the comments. But the thing is that the perspective is all wrong. This is how it's actually supposed to look like. I updated the torch and the tree to actually be angled correctly. And the thing that kind of nags me about this is that my brother told me about this over 2 months ago. He told me that it kind of looks like he was laying on the ground, but it took me this long to know what he meant. So yeah, that wasn't me. Next, I split out the constants from the singleton global script to make it more readable. I also changed my name from my singleton function, so that makes more sense. The last one holds local global variables for ease access. Fishing rod, wood cutter's axe and pickaxe now exist in the game. Will be required soon. Fixed the image display issue I noticed last devlog and now it works whole that dot. Now it works fine. Gathering objects now have tool and level requirements. I also found out that the inventory broke again. And the items you throw on the ground also replace the next item in the inventory. Haven't fixed the inventory bug yet, but algorithm checks your main hand for a tool now and the level requirement message tells you what level you need. You can no longer throw items on the decorations. The items thrown into water is destroyed. So don't do that. Update the shop inventory visuals. When you increase or decrease amount, it also reflects in the picture. I really made the inventory system so complicated. Each time I open it, I'm filled with dread and getting annoyed quickly with it. Wonder how I can simplify it. But you can now split items. I'm so happy to get to work with relatively little issue. Also cleaned up my inventory system, so I no longer get an aneurysm when I open a code. That's probably the best part. Added a setting for the targeting line and targeting tiles. And now the settings are saved locally. I looked into bit flags. What that means is that I can store 63 boolean settings, true and false, in one integer variable. It will save a bunch of space, but to be honest, it's mostly a test to see what I can do with bit flags and the like. Ooh, foreshadowing? Finally, for Halloween, I added a bat to the game. But it's not only that, it's also my first animated enemy. Oh, I just need to animate the rest of them. Oh dear god. But that's for another time. Now, I will thank you so very much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Oh yeah, lore section. Bat's bite? Yeah, no real lore section in this video either. Hopefully, I can get something new added in the next. Something bat-related, perhaps? But not hoping. Thanks for watching. Until next time. See ya.